Hey guys, ready to uncover the best spots in Singapore? Let's dive right into it with some top experiences you just can't miss. First up, the Lion City Highlights Bike Tour. Imagine cycling through the heart of Singapore, discovering hidden gems and historical landmarks. With an expert guide by your side, you'll learn all about Singapore's rich history and diverse culture. And hey, don't forget your camera because there are tons of photo opportunities along the way. Next, let's talk about the Chinatown Historic Walking Tour with lunch. Walk in the footsteps of early Chinese immigrants, visit the stunning Thian Hock Keng Temple, and indulge in a mouth-watering meal at Chew Kee Noodle House. You'll also get to explore a century-old tea shop and a traditional medicine shop. It's like traveling back in time. If you're a foodie, the Singapore hands-on cooking class with Cultural Immersion is a must. You'll not only learn how to cook authentic Singaporean dishes, but you'll also hear fascinating stories about the local food culture. Plus, you get to enjoy a delicious 3-course meal that you cooked yourself. How awesome is that? For those who love hawker food, the Singapore Chinatown Hawker Guided 8-dish tasting tour is perfect. Indulge in 8 different local dishes that the locals swear by. Your guide will take you through the bustling food scene of Chinatown, giving you a true taste of Singaporean street food. Looking for a personalized experience? Try the Singapore Private Tour with locals, highlights and hidden gems. In just 3 hours, you'll see the best of the city, from iconic spots like Chinatown to hidden treasures like Tiong Bahru Market. Plus, enjoy a special treat at a local eatery. It's the ultimate way to experience Singapore. Lastly, there's the Singapore Highlights and Hidden Gems Private Car Tour. Craft your own itinerary and explore the city's nightlife, street art, local food, history, and more. Whether you're visiting the Singapore River or discovering hidden gems like Kampong Buangkok, this tour has got you covered. So there you have it. These are the top must-visit spots in Singapore. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking to explore, Singapore has something for everyone. Happy travels, and see you in the Lion City. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.